Hello friends, in front of me Nandini Agrawal ji is sitting. She secured All India rank 50 in November 2024 CA final exam. She had secured exemption in AFM subject scoring 77% marks. She also secured exemption in IBS paper that is 78% marks. She is district first rank holder in her district. That's really a commendable achievement. She got placed in Indian Oil, and I think sky's the limit for her. So many motivation when I heard about her struggling story. She had financed all the classes, all the money she earned by taking tuitions, by joining offices, articleship, and she managed to fund all her classes and all the tuition fees, registration fees by her own means by working hard for it. She only got 1 month leave for exam, but she was determined that she will be a rank holder. And day and night she did hard work, and now she is. So Nandini Agrawal, I will ask some questions and you have to answer me. First of all, who suggested you to join Aditya Jain sir classes? Because you secured exemption in AFM and also IBS paper. So who motivated you for my classes?
Yes, sir. Actually, the main motivation was because of my inter performance. I could not score well in inter in FM Eco. My score was only 44. So I decided that whenever I take classes in final, it will be only from a faculty who teaches from scratch and gives us the in-depth knowledge of the entire finance subject. I wanted to build my base, and so I asked many of my seniors. I also watched your YouTube videos, so I got an understanding that you teach from the scratch, and plus you provides notes in the class. So whenever we write that notes in the copy is handy with us. That is very helpful during the revision time. So this was the main reason I joined your classes, and really the journey from 44 in inter to 77 in final is all because of you, sir. You helped me achieve this, and I would like to thank you for this.
Great, great, great. So from 44 to 78, great achievement. So in case you had any doubts in online classes, how you used to solve your doubts in AFM?
Yes, sir. In AFM, doubts did arise, and I used to mail you, and the reply was very prompt. I used to get the reply within 1 2 hours, to be specific. So I had many doubts, and sir was always there to solve my doubts. He had solved each and every doubt, so doubts was not an issue for me.
Great, great. During the examination, when you have seen the question paper, what was the first thought which came in your mind that this paper is from 100% Aditya Jain sir conceptual clarity? Although the paper was tough, but you managed to score such a good marks. What was your overall experience?
Uh, yes, sir. First, when I saw the paper looked difficult because it involved reverse calculations. But when I started solving the questions, it became easy because the questions ultimately were from your book only. They had just changed the method of calculation from straight calculation to reverse calculation. So my conceptual clarity was very good in the class, and I had also practiced your booklet multiple times. As you say, 5 times to almost 4 5 times. I had already done the book, so it was already like if I had such practice in straightforward solving question, the reverse calculations automatically got easier. So
Great,
the
great.
paper went fine.
So how you will say that the IBS paper, which you scored very good marks, in IBS also you scored 78% marks. Many students are afraid of this paper. How you will say that AFM and SFM, which you studied from me, help in cracking your IBS and in scoring good marks in IBS? How you have managed in IBS paper to score such a good marks with the help of AFM? So just give me the linkage of AFM with IBS.
Uh, Yes, sir. So IBS contained many portions of AFM like the money market hedge and the forward cover. Plus, also it included theory questions. So, theory is a part which most of the students ignore, but I would say don't ignore it. If ICA is not asking the same in AFM paper, it has still one paper left, IBS, so it can put it there, and that only it did. Like the distressed portfolio and distressed equity part question was asked in our attempt, and like majorly, sir, whatever questions in IBS, even in MCQ, were from the long questions which were there in your book. So by practicing multiple times, I was already retaining the concepts, so it was easier for me to do so. I could solve the questions even without looking at the book. So that
So
gave me an advantage.
great. Is this statement correct that prepare AFM very, very well because it will not help you only to score good marks in AFM, but also your 25 percentage marks in IBS is guaranteed.
Yes, sir. It is very important to prepare appropriately for IBS also. AFM is very scoring, plus it will be definitely there in
So
IBS.
students who used to read just to pass exams, to for shortcut approaches, only important questions, leaving many concepts, leaving many questions, leaving many chapters. Is it advisable? Because now you have an IBS paper where you will get all these things which you are leaving in your AFM paper. So it will be very difficult for you to crack IBS. And because without IBS, you will not be able to be a chartered accountant.
Yes, sir, the ABC analysis concept is very wrong as ICI itself proved in the November 2024 attempt. It only asked question from those areas, basically from the B and C part. So never rely on this ABC analysis. You need to cover 100% in every subject because that is ultimately going to help you in IBS.
Okay. Although we also provide ABC analysis, but you have to cover 100%. And at the end, you can be like in ABC analysis, you can categorize your like what will be your first preference and what will be your second and third preference. But point is whether you have covered your 100% or whether you have 100% notes or not, because it's an open book exam. You never know which questions can be asked in IBS. So you have to prepare 100%. At the end, ABC analysis matters. It may help you to bifurcate your time accordingly so that you give more time to A, then B, and then C.
Yes, sir. Basically, ABC analysis will be mostly helpful in the revision part, like revise A first, then B first, then C, but cover entire 100% syllabus.
Great, great, great. So you have also won so many awards. So please let us know about the awards which you have won in your career till now.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I secured the first prize in the national level essay competition organized by the Institute of Company Secretaries of India. The topic was India at 2030, and I secured second prize in the national level essay competition organized by Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs. So, I was invited there for the felicitation ceremony by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, where very eminent personalities of MCA were present. I was also honored to be a part of the panel discussion, and I feel very fortunate to be able to give a speech there in front of such eminent personalities. Apart from that, I have also been awarded with the Student of the Year award by my college principal during my fifth
Great,
semester.
great. Student of the year. Very good. Great, great. From which district you belong?
So, Sivsagar, Assam.
Okay, great, great. Great. So, in our class, we used to give so many stock market knowledge also. So, you like that part also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, I was not an active investor before then, but after watching your stock market lectures, I started investing, and now I have a portfolio of good amount. And also, I have also started investing in IPOs, so I get a good gain from there also, all because of the practical knowledge given in the
Great,
class.
great, great, great. And what about the motivation part? We start our class with a morning prayer, and then we used to give some motivation quotes. What about all this? Whether you liked it or not, whether it was positive for you or not?
So yes, sir. It worked as a really positive vibe. Like when you start the class in the morning, I used to watch in the morning only. So whenever we watch that prayer, it acts as a boost to grow towards your career. And apart from that, in your book, every second, every other page, or there is a quote written. So whenever I used to read questions, automatically we read that quote. So it also gives us a boost ki karna hai, so we have to do it. So that
Great.
worked really wonders for me.
Great, great, great. Thank you so much, Nandini. And definitely we'll arrange some live sessions for our students' interaction with you so that they can also learn a lot from you. They can also get advice from you because now you are a rank holder. You can definitely advise in the best possible manner. So we'll take some time. So we'll inform you about you and also all the students in the group. Thank you so much for coming and giving your valuable time.
Thank you so much, sir. It was a great pleasure talking to you.